April is boat prep month at GoToMarine.com and LFS Marine. Let's step inside. The hot buys for April are Sierra oils and filters, Pettit HRT unepoxy anti-fouling paint, Showa gloves, Rule automatic bilge pumps, Star Bright salt off, Trident marine hose, and Boat Life caulking and sealant. The featured product this month at GoToMarine.com and LFS is Sierra oil and filters. Give your boat some love this spring with a fresh set of filters and oil from Sierra. For 60 years, Sierra has been the leading manufacturer of engine and drive parts and filters and lubricants to get you on the water and keep you there. Find all these hot buys online at GoToMarine/Captain's Compass or stop into one of LFS's participating stores in Washington and Alaska. GoToMarine.com is the online resource for boating and marine products.